The questions remain as to why didn't the West Bengal government detain him, suspend him with immediate effect when they found out that this had happened under his supervision. The fact that he was reinstated in another hospital and no questions answered on that is another angle that really raises suspicion on the intentions of the West Bengal government. And that's precisely what the Supreme Court has asked as well. Multiple questions that the Supreme Court has put down, demanding answers from the West Bengal government in 2 days' time. While I'm right here at the RG Kar Hospital, we know that Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the principal of this hospital, has now been grilled by the CBI 6 days on. The noose around him tightens, and we're looking at some really shady racket that surrounds him. And we hear allegations against him include that of making porn videos, that of having a illegal medicine racket that was likely functioning from this hospital. The ex-principal of this hospital interrogated 6 times by the CBI, questioning his actions while he was a principal here in this very hospital, and also how he handled the death of his own trainee doctor at this premises. Why were the family members of that girl made to wait for 3 hours? Real questions being asked of that the principal of this hospital, which ideally should have been done by the Kolkata police, but clearly ignored. Sources indicate that Sandeep Ghosh, the principal here, his statements have so long been inconsistent. 6 times that he's been interrogated by the CBI, it's been inconsistent is what we hear. In fact, Ghosh has been summoned by the Kolkata police as well for allegedly revealing the victim's identity. Now, the Kolkata police has been going on hyperdrive to try and understand the number of people who have basically revealed the name and identity of the victim here. And Sandeep Ghosh seems to be one of their suspects. Surprisingly, on this case, they've called him and summoned him, but they didn't think it was fit enough to actually detain him the moment this murder and the rape came to light. Now, in the midst of this, the Congress is now demanding a polygraph and a narco test be done on the police commissioner of Kolkata. That's a shocking development. We are looking at the TMC ally, the Congress party here, who's facing off with the TMC, asking questions of the Kolkata police, particularly with Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary here, the Congress chief in West Bengal, asking for a lie detector test of the police commissioner here in Kolkata. And of course, raising suspicion that the police commissioner may have something to hide here, asserting that Sandeep Ghosh and accused Sanjay Roy in this case are not the only ones responsible. This is a big statement coming in from the Congress party right here in West Bengal.
আরো বড় বড় টেস্ট করা দরকার, পলিগ্রাফ, নার্কো সব টেস্ট করা দরকার। এখানকার যারা পুলিশ কমিশনার আছে, যারা বড় বড় তদন্তের মাথা ছিল, তাদেরও করা দরকার। তারা অনেক মিথ্যা কথা বলেছে বলে আমি দৃঢ়ভাবে বিশ্বাস করি। তারা বিভ্রান্ত অবশ্যই, তাদেরও করা দরকার। শুধু সঞ্জয় দত্তার সন্দীপকে না, সন্দীপ সঞ্জয়ের মতো এরকম অনেক অনেক রাঘব বোয়াল আছে। এখানকার পুলিশের যারা দায়িত্বে ছিল, পুলিশের যারা নেতৃত্বে তদন্ত হয়েছে, তাদের বিরুদ্ধে প্রচুর প্রশ্ন আছে আমাদের। তাদেরও দরকার হলে পলিগ্রাফ করতে হবে, এটা কোনো অপরাধ নয়।
All right, from the images I see here, that there's an agitation that's just begun here, the protest that's begun from some of the resident doctors. Like I did mention, despite the Supreme Court's order asking for the doctors to call off their protest, we know that the heat is only mounting. Here, the anger, particularly in West Bengal, the anger is on the West Bengal government. Here, resident doctors believe that the case wasn't handled the way it should have. And despite the Supreme Court hearing the matter suo moto, we're looking at protests that now escalates right outside RG Kar Hospital. These are images here with vans that are filled with resident doctors, 2 vans full of resident doctors who are protesting the death and rape and murder of that trainee doctor. I also have Suryagni Roy with me. He's joining us from another vantage point where the Congress is all set to be protesting in just a little while from now against the TMC government's police. Over to you, Suryagni Roy, if you can tell me more about the Congress's allegations against the TMC, against the West Bengal police, particularly asking for a lie detector test on the police commissioner.
Well, Nabila, yes, there is a Congress protest against what had happened, and they will march towards Lal Bazaar, which is the Kolkata police headquarters. But right now, I am present in front of the CGO, which is the central, government office, which houses offices of the CBI and the ED. Now, over here, the doctors will start their protest march, and they will walk till Swasth Bhavan, which is the health minister's office, the health ministry's office. The doctors are assembling, but I'd just like to give you an insight. I'd like to show you the.
All right.